Are you struggling to find the perfect dash cam for that perfect someone? Of course you are, and that's why you're here. Well, we've got you covered. Let's check out some of the best dash cams at under $300, the best gifts that won't require a gift receipt. Starting off the list with one of the best dashcam brands in the world, BlackVue. The DR590X is their entry-level Full HD dashcam. Yes, we know what you're thinking, pretty pricey for a Full HD dashcam to be on the list, but it comes with all the essentials, plus other bells and whistles that you'd expect from a name like BlackVue. Motion and impact detection with buffered recording is standard. What's cool is that you can customize the detection zones. Say where you're parked, there are a lot of trees swaying in the back. You can deselect these zones so the trees can sway away without tripping your dashcam's motion detector. There is built-in Wi-Fi, so you can use the BlackVue app to control your camera settings and view your footage using your smartphone. GPS is optional, so if you want your footage to be stamped with time, date, and travel speed, you're going to need to get the external GPS module. And have we mentioned the dashcam comes in an award-winning design? Simple and stealthy, just the way dashcams are supposed to be. In addition to a front-only 1-channel, the DR590X also comes in a front and rear 2-channel and front and interior 2-channel IR. The FineVu GX300 is a 2K QHD dual-channel dashcam from FineVu. While it doesn't come with the new FineVu features that you would find in the GX33, it does offer our favorite FineVu feature, Smart Time-Lapse Recording. Smart Time-Lapse reduces the recording frame rate from 30 frames per second to 10 frames per second for driving captures, and even lower at 5 frames per second for parking captures. And when an event is detected, whether in parking or driving mode, the GX300 reverts back to 30 frames per second so you get a proper capture of the incident. With this Smart Time-Lapse feature, you can record up to 1,134 minutes on a 32 gig microSD card without overwriting. So if you have a smaller capacity microSD card, or if you're looking for a dashcam that can give you great footage for a road trip vlog, well, the FineVu GX300 is our top pick. Next up, we have another dashcam in an award-winning design, the Thinkware Q800 Pro. 5.14 megapixel Sony Starvich image sensor, Ambarella A12 processor, 140-degree wide-angle lens view. Simply put, you get clear 2K QHD video quality night and day. But check this out. The camera housing is rotatable up to 90 degrees vertically, so you get the best view of the road no matter the angle of your windshield. Thinkware's advanced parking surveillance features come standard, including energy-saving parking mode 2.0, which reduces power consumption by a third, while giving you 3 times longer video recording than your typical motion detection or impact detection parking modes. It also lets you monitor your car remotely through the Thinkware Cloud mobile app. It lets you check your car's location, and you can set up zones on the map so that if it leaves the area, an alert will be sent to you. Perfect for courier companies or just parents who want to know where the kids are at any time. The Thinkware Q800 Pro comes in the front-only 1-channel version and a front and rear 2-channel version, which comes with a Full HD rear camera. If you want something that's a bit higher res and at the same time a little bit less intimidating, then you need the VIOFO A129 Pro. You've probably heard of VIOFO, the brand most recommended on Reddit, Dashcam Talk, Tech Radar, CarCam Central, Vortex Radar, Forbes, PC World, and among others. The VIOFO A129 Pro is a 4K front and 1080p rear dashcam system. You can get the 4K dashcam plus the matching Full HD rear camera. How's that even possible? Well, for one, you won't get all the fancy cloud features or advanced parking features with the VIOFO, but it does come with all the essentials to record your drive beautifully in 4K UHD. And it even gives you a built-in screen so you can play back the videos right on the dashcam in case you didn't want to download or install the mobile app. While it won't send you a push notification when someone hits your parked car or lets you track where your car's at, it will continue to record after your car is parked and will save pre-incident footage if someone decides to hit and run your car. We have to include a 3-channel dashcam on this list because nowadays everyone is looking for a camera that lets you see more and capture more. The VIOFO T130 is a 3-channel dashcam that comes in just 2 cameras. The main camera that holds the front-facing and the interior-facing camera and the rear camera. But before you say anything, check this out. The interior camera swivels left and right. That's right. So while it sits on your front windshield capturing everything that happens inside the vehicle, you can flip it over to the right to record out the driver's side window whenever you need it to. The front camera records in 2K QHD, while the rear view and interior cameras record at Full HD. And because it's an infrared camera, the interior camera is suited for nighttime, pitch black situations. The VIOFO T130 doesn't come with a built-in screen, so all settings and playback will need to be done using the VIOFO Mobile Viewer app. Now let's talk about how to make the dashcam extra fancy with accessories. Let's start with the more affordable ones that will totally elevate the gift without breaking the bank. Like CPL filters, which help ensure the quality of the footage by minimizing lens flare, light reflections, and windshield glares. You can pick up the Thinkware CPL filter for the Q800 Pro at under $20. The CPL filter for the VIOFO A229 or T130 costs about the same. And if they're handy enough to do a DIY hardwire installation, they're definitely going to appreciate the BlackboxMyCar Essential Installation Kit, which comes with all the tools they need to get the job done. If they prefer something simpler, like plug and play simple, we strongly recommend the OBD2 power cable. It's not just a power cable, it's a foolproof plug and play power option they never knew they had. For a mere $50, it's going to save a lot of headache and time, and they're going to love you for it. The iRoad OBD2 power cable works great with any Thinkware dashcam, and the 8-man OBD2 power cable works with the VIOFO A129 Pro and the T130. And if even that's too complicated, you can always get them a BlackboxMyCar gift card so they can book an installation service with our in-house technicians at a Richmond install center. If you're feeling extra generous, well, a dashcam battery pack is guaranteed to put a smile on their face. Battery packs are great because it's the only safe way to power a dashcam for parking mode that doesn't require hardwiring and at the same time won't damage the car battery. Just plug and forget. Ranging from $250 to $400, you can pick up a dashcam battery pack like the PowerCell 8. In the end though, you're not just buying another stylish car gadget, you're buying a solution to a problem we all face, all the oh no situations on the road. So can you really put a price on that, knowing that you have video evidence on what happened and who's at fault? Well, yes you can. Thankfully,